Look, I get it. You've tried manifestation, affirmations stuck to your mirror, vision boards collecting dust. Maybe you even visualized your dream life until you were blue in the face. But nothing's changed. I was there too, spending years chasing the secret only to feel stuck, broke, and honestly, kind of foolish. Until one random night, I said something out loud that flipped a switch. Stick with me because I'm about to tell you why most people, myself included, get this wrong. And what actually worked for me. 1. The effort trap. You know that saying, just think positive and it'll happen? Yeah, it's half true at best. I used to wake up, scribble affirmations like I'm wealthy 50 times, force and mal, smurso mal, and pretend I wasn't stressed about bills. It was exhausting. And spoiler, it didn't work. Because here's the thing, manifestation isn't about faking it. It's about what's running in the background of your mind. If deep down you're still scared or feel like you're not enough, no amount of happy thoughts will change your life. It's like putting a Band-Aid on a broken leg. I had to stop asking, what am I doing wrong? And start asking, what's actually driving me? 2. The subconscious reality. Here's something wild. Science says about 95% of what you do, think, or feel comes from your subconscious mind. It's like the software running your life. If that software's coded with I always mess up or good things don't happen to me, your reality will keep spitting out the same problems. I learned this the hard way. No matter how many times I told myself I'm successful, my gut kept whispering, yeah, right. The fix? It's not about piling on more affirmations. It's about feeling different, like in your bones. Because when you shift what you feel, your whole world starts to shift too. My breaking point. I'll never forget this one night in 2023. I just gotten an email, another no on a project I poured my heart into. I was sitting on my couch, staring at this vision board I'd made, feeling like a total fraud. I snapped and said out loud, I'm done pretending this works. And in that quiet, something hit me. I realized I'd been acting like I had to beg for my life to change, like I wasn't already enough. So instead of forcing another affirmation, I just closed my eyes and pictured myself 6 months later. Not the money or the house, but how I'd feel. Calm, confident, like I belonged. For the first time, I didn't try to manifest anything. I just let myself feel like that person. A week later, I got a random call about a freelance gig. Then an old friend reached out with an idea that turned into a side hustle. Small wins at first, but they snowballed. 4. Why it fails. So why do most people hit a wall with this stuff? I've boiled it down to 3 things. They're stuck in I want. If you're always wanting something, you're basically telling yourself you don't have it. Try feeling what it's like to already have it. Not the thing, but the relief or joy. They ignore their body. Your mind can say, I'm fine. But if your stomach's in knots, your body's calling the shots. Stuff like deep breathing or even a walk can calm that noise, so the good stuff sticks. They obsess over the plan. I used to map out every step of how my life should go. But when I let go of needing to control it, things fell into place faster. It's not about giving up. It's about trusting life to meet you halfway. 5. What I do now. Here's what I do now. It's simple. Every morning, I sit for 5 minutes. No phone, no distractions. I ask myself, if everything I wanted was already here, how would I feel? Then I let that feeling sink in. Maybe it's peace, maybe it's confidence. I don't picture a mansion or a bank account. I just let my body remember what enough feels like. Then I go about my day, not forcing anything, but acting like that version of me would. It's not magic, it's just retraining my brain to expect better. And bit by bit, better shows up. Here's the deal. You don't need another book or course. You just need to trust yourself again. Manifestation isn't about chasing some perfect formula. It's about remembering you're already enough to build the life you want. So what's one tiny step you can take today to feel like that person? If this hit home, hit subscribe and join Reality Shifter. We're not about hype, we're about real change, one honest step at a time. Let's do this together.